Hello, good morning, dear my students, and welcome to the GSCIS. So let's today start the topic. Saying that I can explain this in the line of the defense with the growing of the power. But 56 year by the old by force deployed by the along the Bangladesh and Pakistan border currently by issue the related to the political stream by the after MHA. So enhanced by the operational by the limit of the Punjab, Bengal and Assam. But during this Kerala war in the 99 in the army, but other by intelligence agency by faced in the particular problems. So interested by the certain of the high attitudes, region of the able to interconnected by the wireless. So, communication and of this Pakistan in the tender by the Pakistanis spoke by Dradi, Bhalti, Pushto and Farish the occupies by the high along the line of the control LOC. This paragraph said that High Command wireless by the connection of the Pakistan. Then after this spoke Dradi, Balki, Pushto and Farish. It is high long by the control this LOC. But a small by unit of the border security force BSF posted by the Chhattisgarh was asked to be inspected by the analysis then convective rapid by this agency and constant to the BSF. So inspected by the humanity by the local Bombay dress, arrested by the army in the train, translating by the wireless by conversation Dradi and this Balti, according to a book. But BSF India first line of the control of the focus edited the Anirudhi Deshpande by associated the professor history of the Delhi University of the border security force inspected by the help in the motivative of the local youth and then working over the poor tension alerts of the varieties and this uniform by the led by this area in the pandemic by selling or the arrows the border. So I'm talk about this line said border and security by the force these situations and control this international border. But let's start the dear students and let me talk about the thought by the border security force played by the key of the role. Karlarji war second on this first by the second species intelligence input by this Pakistan and a bold build by the up. 4 months of the war and the made by the May 1999. Achievement or the central arm by force of the CAPF. Reported by the Minister of the Home Affairs mean this by the footnotes by the government report. But BSF was a realized convict member of the 1965 after the India and Pakistan war till then the border and Pakistan related to the police after the KF Rostramaji. Former police officer by the PB Rajgopal who authority by this authority biography and negative by the or foundation drug DG Kota Rastrani by after handle over change of the IGP Madhya Pradesh and reached the Delhi to the route of the joining report and the 21 July 1965. I came to head of the one of the organization was dissolved by the bordermen Nobody can blow why nobody achieve. Pre-voter of the role in this. So it was realized to draw up personnel by the focus of state army and the poll, formed by focus on this from 25 bottles and related to the bacteria of the 1000 personnel of the Pro-Maxley border security force of the now expanded on the around 200 battles. But BSF security force played by the provided to role in the 1971 in Bangladesh Liberation War was the border security force counterpart the border ground Bangladesh area in this now community by the 50 years Bangladesh liberty formed by the Pakistan and not 56-year-old force come the play on the Bangladesh. But Pakistan itna kilometer border and recently by the enter of the political stream of the MHA. Hence by the operational by this limit of the Assam and West Bengal, Punjab. But this MHA thought by the native function of this gauge of this dawn of the October 2nd, enhanced by the arrested of the age of the size of the power border security force, 50 kilometer and the international border by the state of the Punjab and West Bengal and Assam are in Gujarat, but limited to the received by the exceeding of the 50 kilometer. But Rajasthan of the 50 kilometer and this maintained by the unchanged. Opportunity parties of the equations. The move of the term of the order of attract of this federalism according to this by 7th schedule cast of the constitution polytechnic as well as and then after BSF Act 1968 by passed in the parliament and thus rule of the format by the 1969. So BSF and not be been signed to the three parliamentary of the task and then after grow by the border security force. So let me start with promoted by the sense of the security announcement by the among people, border of the prevent by the trans border of the crime authority by the entry, but prevent by somethingly by the after illegal activity. So border area border security force and can arrested research of the size painting something by neutrons behind. Thank you.